Welcome to another episode of Ghost Host Kitchen. Today we're going to be making an unusual recipe called watermelon fries. It all starts with one personal sized watermelon. We're going to use some lime juice, some coconut milk, some agave nectar or syrup, and then also some full fat Greek yogurt. And then to top it off, some chili lime seasoning. You start by cutting your watermelon. You want to cut it into roughly fry-shaped size pieces that are about 1 inch square, and however long you would like them. We cut ours to be about 3 to 4 inches long. It's really personal taste. The reason we use personal watermelons is because they tend to have fewer seeds than regular watermelons, but you can certainly use a regular watermelon. It'll feed more people. And however you cut your watermelon, do not cut it this way. Now, however you do choose to cut your watermelon, you just want to cut it so that you get those fry-shaped pieces. I tend to like to cut mine into triangles. It's just the way I've always done it. You could cut them into plates if you wanted to, sort of like saucer-shaped things. But once you have the rind off, you make your fries. Now we're just doing a demonstration batch here. If you wanted to do the entire watermelon, you would of course end up with a lot more fries and a lot more watermelon to eat. Speaking of watermelon, it's really good for you, not much in the way of calories, and it's full of water. So, next we're going to make our dipping sauce. We're going to start with our coconut milk, okay? We're using some coconut milk, and then our yogurt, just using the entire container, some agave syrup, and then also some lime juice. You're going to stir all of that together, mix it up to be your dipping sauce. Just whisk it up. You'll get a little bit of tanginess from the yogurt, but also some very tropical flavors from the coconut milk and the lime juice. Alright, so you're going to take your chili lime seasoning and you're going to spread that onto your watermelon fries. You're going to put this according to your personal taste. Then you're going to flip them over and put some more on the other side. Now, you want to do this just prior to serving so that the chili lime sauce doesn't cause the watermelon to weep or extract any water from it. There we are, putting it on the other side. Now while we do that, let me invite you to subscribe, hit the notify or the like buttons so you always find out when there's another episode from Ghost Host Kitchen. Alright, so we're going to give this a try. I can tell you from experience there's a bit of tang from the yogurt and a nice citrus flavor from the lime and tropical coconut flavor as well. It's a really refreshing snack. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on Ghost Host Kitchen.